Welcome. In this video I will show you how to make your Dell Latitude 7410 laptop work faster. So to begin, let's change the power mode of the computer. Let's go to the start menu, open settings, then let's go to system, then let's find power and battery right here. Open this menu and let's go to power mode and change it from balanced or best power efficiency to best performance. This will give your device some additional performance speed. You can use this for both plugged in and on battery, though if it will drain your battery faster if you enable it for on battery mode. And you can also disable energy saver if you want to, because it will reduce your device's speed, but basically if you only use if you only need to increase your device's performance for when it's plugged into the charging source, you don't even have to do that. And it will also make your battery drain faster. But if you want to disable your energy saver completely, you can expand this list and change this value to never. Also disable your Bluetooth and sometimes your Wi-Fi if you're not using it, or any other tiles you have right here. All the connections, because all of them drain your battery power and to reduce your device's performance. You can also expand this, tap on this arrow icon and see what applications you have running here in the background, and right click and turn them off. And this application is not something I can turn off since it's the Windows security. This is a system feature, but we can also do some preventive actions to reduce the background applications quantity. Right click the taskbar, go to task manager. Now in task manager, let's go to startup apps and let's sort them by status. And now all the applications that have the enabled status will basically start up along with your PC. So in my case, all of these applications are somewhat system related and pretty much required to start up with your PC. So I'm not gonna turn them off, but if you have some game launchers, messengers that you don't necessarily need to start up automatically when your PC launches, you can just right click such application and select disable. Also, make sure to clean your to wipe your recycle bin. But it's better if you go to settings, system, then storage. In storage menu, select temporary files, and then select the files that you can remove from your PC, and select remove files. And as you can see, this will remove 4.90 gigabytes of storage, which will significantly improve the device's productivity. And besides, don't forget to close empty tabs in your browser, even or tabs that you are not using, because each tab opened in your browser uses your device's RAM memory. And we can right now we can check it what it looks like on the graph and in the processes tab in the task manager. As you can see, Microsoft Edge right now uses over 2 gigabytes of RAM memory, while we only have like a bunch of empty tabs in it. And if we go to performance section, we can actually see that CPU CPU usage was raised due to that. And also the main thing is the memory. As you can see, half of the RAM memory is occupied right now simply because of the tabs open. So make sure to close the tabs that you are not using in your web browser. And besides, you can also optimize your device using tools like, for example, the system tool from Dell, which is called Dell SupportAssist. You can download Dell SupportAssist from their official website. Just Google or search for Dell Support Assistant, and then open this website. Select Support Assist for home PCs. Click Download Support Assist. You will download the installer, run the installer, and download Support Assist on your computer. Then you can just run it. Run this application. Give me a moment. Oh no, it actually loaded way faster than I thought it would. And here you can boost your device's performance with this option. You can also run all the other scans, like checks for updates, scanning your hardware for hardware issues. Optimizing your network will also improve our device's productivity, so hit the checkbox next to it, then click Start and wait until until your system is optimized and your performance is boosted. And at this point, I think that's all the tips I wanted to share with you in this video. So thank you so much for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.